My name is Alejandra Hernandez. She is Aurelie Delfonso.
Our group is RIB6.
What is a flood?
A flood is occupation. The water areas are usually free from seas, either be overflowing. Rivers and streams behave rainfall or snowfields or seas reaching tides above the usual level of avalanche cause the tsunami. Some floods develop slowly while others flush or flash flood. But what do you do before, during, and after?
Sure.
For the first point, locate the high place on the route by which you can reach our temporary shelter. Remember that you need to serve water from drinking water, food, water, clothing, and books. Remember to save your personal documents in plastic bags. What do you do during the flood?
Someone stay away from the stream is main contact object that can hurt you. Point 2, keep on the hand a cell phone directionality. Point 3, stay calm and follow the civil protection. Point 4, do not come to route a power line. Action.
What do you do after the flood?
Action.
After, don't go near or in danger or falling objects. 2. Clean immediately. Toxic, flammable, or medicinal substances have been spilled. 3. Consume only flour you store or do proportion civil protection. 4. Last chance, stay informed and follow things to know if you can return to your home and everything is under control.
Action.
Thank you very much. See you.